Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sundir Hazra. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of your PC or simply how to change the theme of your PC. So let's get started. So to change the theme of your PC, you need to go to the personalize option in the settings. So there are two ways for that. You can just right click anywhere on the desktop, or you can just go and search here, or just go to the settings and then let's go to the personalization option. So now let's go to the color tab which is present right here. So now here we have the option, first one, choose your color, and this is the sample one. So here you have three options: light, dark and custom. At this moment I have selected the dark theme. Normally I select the custom theme for better customization, but for this video I am selecting the dark one. So here let's get started by selecting the light theme. Okay, so this light theme is going to change the color of the Windows apps to white, including the start menu and the taskbar. This doesn't look much good, but because everything looks white, so I don't prefer using this, but it's your choice. So next come here, transparency effects. So if you turn this off, as you can see, the transparency effects are gone at this point, and if you turn this on, bam, the transparency effects can be seen. This looks better. So here next option comes, choose your accent color. So you can choose your color from here. So these are the recent colors which will be shown here, and this is the default blue of the Windows, or you can select any of this color to make your PC beautiful. For example, I have selected this one here. On the opening of the Windows app like settings, it shows a blue color. Let's see by opening Microsoft, and see here is the blue in the background, and in the shutting down of the PC you can also see the default blue color in the background. So that's where it appears all the time. You can also choose your custom color and click on done after that. So let's cancel this. Here we got two options: start, taskbar and action center, and title bars and window borders. This is going to be disabled for until you select the dark theme. Here the options should be turned on if you want. Okay, so let's scroll up and now select the dark one. This dark theme, everything of this PC is going to be dark. Okay, let's scroll down now, and here you get the same options, transparency effects and choose your action color. And now let's scroll down, and this thing is going to be activated. Okay, so this enables that where your chosen color is going to be seen. If you select title bars and window borders like here, it is going to be shown, and here you can select the taskbar and accesses. I hope you understand this one. Okay, so now let's scroll up here and let's choose the custom theme, and which is recommended by me, and this is the best one. Here choose your default Windows mode. I choose this dark one, and choose your default app mode. I choose this light one, and this looks a lot better than the previous ones. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. I will be back next time with better content. Thanks for watching.